Second edition, Pronunciation Pairs, An Introduction to the Sounds of English. This book is written by Anne Baker and Sharon Goldstein. Hi there! Hi everyone! Welcome back to Camglish.com's Pronunciation Pairs video. This is me again, Teacher Carol. In today's video, we're going to learn how to pronounce our new consonant sound. This consonant is very common in English, and learning to pronounce it correctly is an important step in speaking English with an American accent. Depending on what your first language is, you may find it difficult to pronounce this sound. More specifically, if your first language is Spanish, French, Korean, Japanese, German, or Scandinavian, you may find it especially difficult to pronounce the sound. So guys, if you're ready, then let's begin our lesson now by learning how to pronounce our new consonant sound for today. In today's video, we will talk about Unit 34, J sound as in joke. Under this lesson, we will also talk about those words like didja, woulda, didn'tcha, don'tcha. Okay guys, how are we going to pronounce and produce the sound j as in joke? Now, here are the things that you need to remember. Using your tongue, press the tip and the blade of your tongue against the gum ridge or bump on the roof of your mouth. Press firmly. The sides of the tongue should be touching the side teeth. Now, stop the airflow completely until the pressure builds up and then release quickly. After we know the right position of our tongue, let's now focus on our lips. Our lips should be protruded slightly, forward, pushed outward, like this. Now everybody use your voice to say this sound. J, j, j. Very good. Now, did you know that learning to hear and say the difference between j as in joke, which is our sound for today, and ch as in choke, which is our sound in the last videos, will make your pronunciation more accurate and will make your accent sound more like a native speaker's. I will give you an example. One of the most common mistakes is to confuse the sound j with the sound ch. So, a word like Jane might sound like chain or vice versa. Listen and repeat the following pair of words here. The words are exactly the same except that the first contains the consonant ch and the second contains the consonant j. Listen and repeat, paying careful attention to the difference in voicing. Let's start with the word cheap. Jeep, cheap, jeep, cheap, jeep. Choke, joke, choke, joke, choke, joke. Cheers, jeers, cheers, jeers, cheers, jeers. H, age, H, age, H, age. Batch, badge, batch, badge, batch, badge. Very good. Mastering the distinction between ch and j is an important part of learning to speak English clearly and correctly. To the ears of an American, these two sounds are completely different and distinct. Learning these sounds is one more important step towards speaking English with a standard American accent. The best way to learn a new sound is to practice it slowly. In fact, the secret to speaking English clearly and quickly is practicing slowly and accurately. Learning to speak English with a standard American accent is a gradual process. But if you work regularly and practice as often as you can, you're going to improve. So guys, to check if you understand the difference between ch and j sounds, let's take a look at our activities for today. Let's answer Test Yourself. Activity number 1. Listen and circle the word that you will hear. Number 1. The word is choke. Very good. The word is choke. Number 2. The word is jeer. Well done. The word is jeer. Number 3. The word is jeep. Very good. The word is jeep. Number 4. The word is Jerry. Good job. We have here the word Jerry. Number 5. The word is batch. Very good. Batch. Number 6. The word is ages. Very good. So, now that we already have the answers with us, let's try to read the following words again. Choke, joke. Cheer, jeer. Cheap, jeep. Cherry, Jerry. Batch, badge. H's, ages. Okay guys, that will be all for today. Join me again in the next video as we continue answering Test Yourself, vocabulary, and our dialogues. This has been your teacher Carol, always saying have fun while learning English. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Goodbye.